everyone be sure to prepare.
Mine is like crazy.
We say that we're also back here in our life. And now we are in Chun Shui Tang. Chun Shui Tang is the originating place of Boba Tea. Before it was more like a tea house, and then one day, one of the workers here, she tried to mix the tapioca with the tea. Afterwards, the taste was amazing, and everywhere around the world, people love it. That's the story behind the Boba Tea we are drinking now. Let's see what they have here.
开门送饮料哦。放到这里来。琥珀珍珠哪位？
这边。
真奶。
哦。
这个喝的时候要再搅拌一下。
OK，谢谢。
Try.
You can try.
Wow. Mine is like crazy. If you guys come here, have to choose the one with brown sugar latte.
It's brown sugar boba tea. It's really crazy. Inside they also put the cookies, and then the number of the poles really a lot. So each sip you can taste some pole. We are so happy. We say it's our first boba tea in our life. So actually this one is the typical one, but if you like something sweeter, try the brown sugar one. We just ordered another one this because it's too amazing. Already finished. Wow. It's the happiest day.
Happiest day in my life.
Yeah.
My
We are in Guangzhou night market. Beef, really tender, and for me it's mushroom, but it tastes like the meat. We are in a line waiting for the fried chicken. It looks very delicious. For some time to wait for it. It's very good. After the boba tea, we walked a lot, so right now it's ready for the food. We're about to take the high-speed train from Taipei to go to Taichung. It takes around 1 hour to go there. We took the high-speed train from Taipei to Taichung, and then right now take a very fancy artistic bus to the city center of our hotel. We just check in our hotel in Taichung and start our half-day city walk. Taichung is very different style with Taipei. Taipei is full of people and also a lot of commercial area, but Taichung you feel is chiller and people are enjoying a slower life. Wow, the weather is perfect. Okay, the best in the world. It's just in this kind of small store, but it's a treasure. Travel in Taiwan, be sure to prepare the cash because in a lot of stores they don't accept the credit card or MasterCard. So the cash is the most secure way. We are walking in Taichung and I feel this city is a place you can take a rest and enjoy some delicious local food, but there are not many tourist places. So it's a station to just slow down. But the good thing of traveling in Taichung is everything there are also written in English. So for the no Chinese speaker, it's very easy to go through. We're in Taichung Park. Here there are so many animals. They just bump into one squirrel. Wow! Wow, so quick, so quick. audit village. It's a very artistic area decorated in many different styles. I love this kind of the district. You feel yourself is doing treasure hunting and can bump into many different surprises.